Hi, I'm Mireya Rios, a content creator and actress based out of New York City, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite trending looks of 2023 using Revlon Illuminance foundation. I'm going to be using some of my favorite Revlon color cosmetics to create 3 looks. Let's get started. The first look I'm going to be creating, I like to call it the It Girl Beauty look. It's a shimmery lid, a glowy base, and a darker lined lip. And the star of the show, Revlon Illuminance foundation. I am using shade 117. And the amazing thing about this foundation is that it has skin-caring benefits. It contains 5% squalane and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and lock in moisture. So it's a foundation and skincare mixed in one. It feels like a moisturizer. It's almost like a second skin. So this is it, the It Girl Beauty look. I absolutely love it. I love how the foundation looks on my skin, so dewy, so luminous, super glowy. I'm obsessed. Let's go on to the next look. This I call Pop of Spring. It's a mix of peach and pink, which is perfect for the spring and summer. This look is perfect because it's natural, it's glowy, it's dewy, and it has a pop of color. The final look is a Skin First Glam. It's a graphic liner with glossy lips, and I love it because you can take it from day to night, and it allows your natural beauty to shine through while still being bold. This look is so easy to make, and I love how the Illuminance foundation makes my skin look and feel so hydrated. It's the perfect complement for this glam look. Thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to show off my skin in 2023, and Revlon Illuminance foundation is my secret weapon. Bye!